Bring Me a Boat by Kate Rusby was inspired by Water of Tyne, the old Geordie song. Bring me a boat to cross to my dear. I stand here alone with my sweetheart so near. Bring me a boat to cross over the Tyne, for its deep murky waters part her heart with mine. And the Tyne it flows on and out to the sea. If a boat I am granted, then safe let me be, and gently I'll go, for gently I'll row, as gently you breathe, as you ebb and you flow. Does she know I stand each day on the shore? Does she know I give all to see her once more? Does she know I've wept 10,000 times o'er? And is she still waiting as she was before? And the Tyne it flows on and out to the sea. If a boat I am granted, then safe let me be, and gently I'll go, for gently I'll row, for gently you breathe, as you ebb and you flow. The boatman, he wants the gold I can't give. My parents are poor, so I've nothing to give, but only my heart, and that will not float. So please don't deny me and bring me a boat. And the Tyne it flows on and out to the sea. If a boat I am granted, then safe let me be, and gently I'll go, and gently I'll row, as gently you breathe, as you ebb and you flow.